Hi again everyone, Brett back, altitude scale model with another Sprue review. This is something that I saw. I love seaplanes. Don't like building biplanes, but hey, gotta learn, gotta grow. So pick this up. Never heard of the company before. Sova-M, kit number SVM4801. Maybe this is their first A model. They've got few things in 72nd scale. Hold on, let me get this light back on. Turned it off because of the glare. A few little things in 72nd scale. This looks to be their first 48th scale. Not a very big box. So, let's open it up. I'll find where my knife is again. And take a look, see what this company's all about. Something just fell. Hope everyone's doing well. Building models, sitting your ass on the bench, having fun. Alright, it is nice box art, and I do love anything with Arctic, Antarctic expedition, you know, because I live in the mountains and I'm a snowman. So, we got everything in a Ziploc bag, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sprues, clear sprue, instructions. So, let's get going. And looks like the decals were in the bag as well. They were face down, so let's just start with the fuselage. Zoom in. So, it's got some surface detail. Gypsy moth, it says right there. And it's got a little bit of structural detail on the inside. No ejector pin marks in there. And it's not very smooth inside there. The molds weren't very smooth, but the outside looks really nice. Some decent detail. Okay, start with wings. Again, the plastic, I'll show it to you. There's some good detail in here. That says Master 44 right there. Can't tell if there's a date on there. One-piece wings. You know, they would have been fabric, but now you can see that. You can see how rough the molds were to that plastic. And, you know, on this side especially, it almost looks like it was molded from an older resin kit. Okay. In here, look at the tails, and there is, you know, some good detail throughout there. It just, the wings especially look really rough, like the mold was just not in very good shape. You see how those. Here's the floats. You know, these look good. See, and I'm wondering, because both of the wing sections say Master Model, produced by Master Model, group of manufacturers, right here. But only the wings say that. The rest of these parts and the rest of the parts don't look as rough. The floats look nice. And you saw the fuselage looked alright. Here's the front cowling and the prop. Prop looks really thick and heavy. You see, prop looks thick and heavy. And it would have been a wooden prop, so maybe it's supposed to be that way. And some various parts here. Sprue P. Machine gun. The gun looks nicely detailed. And that looks like the exhaust pipe, and it looks nicely detailed, if that's what it is. And here, we got the floor to the cockpit. Looks like a couple of wheels. The instrument panel's got some detail. Seats. This one's got the Master Model logo on it. Another exhaust pipe, it looks like. But you can see instrument panel, back of the seats. Here's the cockpit floor. That looks like the bottom of the fuselage part. That looks like the cockpit floor. The seats. Alright. This one's got wheels on it as well. Bracing. So this kit looks a little rough in some spots. Don't know how well it'll go together. And the wheels don't look too bad, tires don't look too bad, hubs don't look too bad. Clear parts. At least they were bagged separately. Actually, they're not awful, not a lot of distortion. A little scratchy on the top, probably won't be able to see it, but a little scratchy on the top of that one. I mean, they're not awful. There are worse clear parts I've seen. So, put it back in there. Here's your decals. Here's a cat walking by the review because she wants to lick the sanders, because she likes to do that. Here's your decals. I keep a clean set of sanders for her to lick. There's a lot of carrier film in between all these decals. And if I can get her tail out of the way, we can look at instructions. Okay, a little bit about the aircraft. Umbro color callouts, which will make some of you real happy. This is a limited edition kit. Oh, look there. Color painting guide. Red. One-sided. Sprue map. You're going to start with the prop and work on the cockpit. It's got nice painting numbers and guides so you'll be able to follow along. Your basic old school instructions. I don't know how old this kit is. See if I can find it on the box. It's got made in Ukraine on it. And you're doing the wings, fuel tank on top of the wings. You're doing the display base if you have the pontoons on. That's what all those parts were, I wasn't sure. You're putting the floats on, you're sitting on the stand. and you're all done. There you have it. So, Sova-M, made in the Ukraine. This model, here you go. This model is executed on technology short run, is intended for experienced modelers. There you go. They're upfront and honest about it. So, one version of the coloring. So, short run kit, looks it, but it's probably the only one you can get in 48 scale. And it may turn out to be a wonderful build. If someone has built one or is going to build one, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Here's that beautiful box art again. Now sit your ass to the bench and build a kit. Whether a short run or mass produced, an easy one, a hard one, you are model builders. Thanks for watching.